In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube to TV Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Most Samsung modern TVs will have YouTube already bundled with them. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to check to see if you have the YouTube app downloaded, and if you don't, how to acquire it. In order to use the YouTube app directly on your Samsung TV, go into the home screen, so use the home icon on your remote. And once you are back in the home screen, you will be able to browse through various applications. Usually, it is going to have an interface similar to this one, where you have a bunch of apps on this strip or dock at the bottom, and all that you have to do is look for the YouTube application. It is super simple, super straightforward. You will also have other native applications like Apple TV, Prime Video, Netflix, Spotify, and you can use those just like you would use YouTube. Then select it and open it up. If for whatever reason you don't have the YouTube application, so this is another example of the interface, then what you do instead is you hover over the menu. This will allow you to browse through other applications, and then it is going to be just like downloading an application for a smartphone. So when you go over to the Play Store or the App Store and you look for the app, you do the exact same thing here. You go into all of the apps, you use the search function, and you look for the YouTube application. There's absolutely no secret for this. But like I said before, because most modern Samsung TVs are already bundled with the YouTube app, you shouldn't even have to worry. Upon opening the app, you might be prompted to sign into your account. So if you would like to import your algorithm, including your playlist and videos, sign in using it. It is going to ask you to open a web browser, go to a specific link, and use a code to prove that you are the owner of the account to establish the connection. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.